See anything that's like close to 80 BPM so I can make a mashup, bro. Ooh, wait, you know that song that's like, gotta go to work.
No.
Like the power. Oh, yeah. Just gonna make that like really mashed up. It's 79 BPM, so this shit will work. This shit will definitely work.
Ooh,
I'm just gonna download
okay,
it,
that's
bro,
good
so I
enough.
can make a